Hey guys, my name is Isaac and today I'm going to be showing you how to grow lemon trees from seed. So these are the seeds. I just took them out of a normal lemon that I bought in the grocery store, and now you want to soak these guys at least for 24 hours in water before you plant them. It's just going to help them sprout a lot faster. So once they're soaked, I just put them in a little glass container or any kind of container inside a plastic bag. Important here is to sow them in a clean medium, so don't sow them directly in garden soil. Some of them will sprout, but you'll have a lot more sprouting if you use something that's sterile like peat or so. Now they'll sprout within a few weeks, some even within a week, and once they're big enough I just pluck them out and put them in a slightly bigger container and let them grow out in there for the first year or so. Now these guys are a year old, so these guys right here I planted a few weeks ago. These guys I planted last winter, so a year ago, and this one is still kind of small because I cut it back, and I also had a snail eat all the leaves off at one point, so the growth's kind of stunted, but this guy is a lot bigger. So it's going to take them a year to get to this size, and after this summer they're going to be really nice, beautiful lemon trees. Now, they're easy to care for. You just need to make sure you give them some bright light. They like having direct sun. They will do fine without direct sun, but they're going to make these really big, soft kind of leaves in the winter when they're not getting enough sun. They will harden up in the summer, but I like the look more of the small, classic lemon leaves. And so to get that, you do need to give them direct sun, at least a few hours per day. So yeah, with watering, the leaves are going to start to drool or to drop a little bit, not fall off the plant, but just to hang if they don't have enough water, but they're not going to die immediately, so they're pretty forgiving plants there. Also with overwatering, they're pretty forgiving in the beginning. So yeah, I hope this helps you grow a lemon tree from seeds, and it inspires you to try it out because it's really easy, and if you're buying lemons anyways, then you have everything you need to grow these guys. So yeah, that's it. Hope it inspires you guys, and I'll see you around.